What's happening? So this month for Black History Month, we wanted to highlight the contributions and work of one of our community members, Irving Green.
Hey guys, I'm Irving Green, the creator of Horror High. Horror High is an asymmetrical style survival horror game that plays 3 to 5 players. And it's about 30 minutes per player, and yeah, good luck to you. Let's see, what would you do in a scary movie? So Horror High came to me when I was in a subway station here in Los Angeles, and I was terrified for my life, and I was like, damn, this is kind of scary down here. And then I went home and I said, what would I do in a scary movie? And then Horror High was born. That's literally how this happened. And along the way, I've been fortunate to meet such great people, like my co-creator, Dave Stankoven. Not only is he the co-creator, but he's the illustrator. So everything you see has been hand-drawn by this man who is like my Virgo twin. And he's just amazing. And together we made this game, the mechanics, the art. And then we've been so fortunate to have people join the team to get it online in a tabletop simulator. And just bring the game to you no matter where you are. Woo! Wow. That's a oh my gosh. Okay. Black history means that just you exist no matter what. You persevere no matter what. And I'm so grateful to my ancestors for everything that they've had to endure and overcome to have me be here today, you know, where I can make something like this. I can put in characters that look like me and other people who are not represented across the board all the time. Yeah, it just means being true to who you are and being proud of who you are. Never changing, never being ashamed of that, no matter what the outside world may make you want to think. There's strength, there's power, and there's just beauty in being Black. If you're looking to pursue a career in games and you're a young Black professional, I say go for it, okay? Go for it. There is no limit to what you can do, ever, at any time. If you have an idea, share that idea with the world. It's amazing that it came from your brain, so share it. Do not be afraid to go for it, no matter what it takes. Horror High is available right now on Steam via Tabletop Simulator. Get it now, play for free, and see you in game.